Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn. In case you're new, you're welcome. And in today's video, I'll be doing a natural beat, something simple, something quick, something for every day. It's good for work, it's good for school. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. And as you can see, one of my brows is already done, so I'm gonna show you how I did it. On this other side, I'm using Davis number 3 and number 18 eye pencil, and I'm going to use number 3 to line my brows. And to fill in, I'm going to use number 18. I'm going to use my spoolie brush, look like that. So to clean my brows, I'm going to use a concealer in the shade Fawn, and that is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm sorry, in the shade Cool Tan. So for the upper part of my brows, I do not use the same concealer because on the lower side I use one shade lighter than my skin, and then on top I usually mix my concealer with my foundation so that I can get my skin tone. Or sometimes, like today, I'm going to use a LA Girl Pro Concealer and it's darker than me, looks like that. And I'm going to mix it with my concealer, with the concealer that I used on the lower side of my brows.
What have we do to get your love? Girl, I don't give you all I got, but it's not enough for you. Show you fire me, got a pot of love. Now I be say I don't get enough of you. Yeah, waiting be done, nothing I can't do for my baby, my baby.
So next, I need to blend the concealer that you can see around my brows, and I'm going to use this brush, a BH Cosmetic brush that has no number.
Shawty, you my baby, say you there for me, as I there for you. Baby, say you there for me, as I there for you.
So now that I'm done with my brows, next I'm going to my eyes, my eyelids, and I'm going to put some concealer on my eyelid, to use it as a base for my eyeshadow. And I'm going to use the same concealer that I used on my brows below, that is the Cool Tan.
Cause anywhere you go, girl, I go follow go. Cause I like the way you back it up, the way you go down low. And that's the reason they be hating on you. Baby, you the baddest. Step on the dance floor and show you madness. I'll be a king, you be my royal highness. Shut up, body, girl, damn, you are the flyest. Baby, say you there for.
So next, for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Kara Beauty palette, and I'm going to use a shade that is close to my skin tone, and I feel like it's this color here, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. So for my eyeliner, I'm using Huda as usual, and I'm going to use it to draw my wing liner. So I'm gonna put some mascara on my lashes, so that when I put the fake lashes, they can like blend in together. So as I let that dry, I'm going to use my primer, Black Up primer. And because I have a few blemishes here and there, especially around my cheeks, I'm going to use color corrector, and I'm using Pro Concealer. It's orange in color, and I'm gonna put that where I have blemishes. And by the way, guys, I have a new skincare routine, but I'm taking my time to see how my skin does, and then I'm going to share it with you after a few weeks, after I see the results. So far, I'm so happy, and I can't wait to share with you. My skin has really improved, by the way, you guys, since I started using the product that I'm using now. For my foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 355.
Damn, you are the flyest. Baby, say you there for me, as I there for you. Baby, say you there for me, as I there for you. Oh no, no. Your boy born dead.
So for the concealer, again, I'm getting in with Cool Tan.
This one for the true lovers.
Just in love with.
So very quickly, I'm going to contour my face.
Ningekuanga tai dunia, oh mi amor, ila ndo sijajaliwa, sina la kuofa zaidi mapenzi ya dhati. Hali yako naielewa, wala usijali, nimekubali ulivyo, kwako nimeloa, idhani nita.
At my face, I'm using such a buttercup, and I'm not going to bake really, just setting my concealer. to set my contour, I'm using Sleek Matte Pressed Powder Translucent in the shade Deep. So for my lips, I'm going to line them using the eye pencil that I was using. And then I'll get it basically from Joanna K.
Hatuna king size bedi la twala bagai la twala meridhia moyo kwa penzi lako la thamani masheri hata nafasi na sana yo baby my honey.
I almost forgot about the lashes, like I forgot about them.
Oh baby my honey atabelopi natika yo kwenye shina wakumbato lako ni sawa sawa umaradhi sitaji.
So now my lashes are on, so I'm going to set using City Color Oil Control Matte Setting Spray. So guys, that is my finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this look. A natural beat, you can go with it literally anywhere, from school to work to an evening dinner to lunch, just anywhere. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click the red subscription button below. Also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and see you in the next video.
What have we do to get your love? Girl, I don't give you all I got, but it's not enough for you. Show you fire me catapult of love. Now I be say I don't be getting enough of you. Yeah, waiting me down, nothing I can't do for my baby, my baby.